Hello viewers, today I'm going to be demonstrating this Danfoss refrigeration compressor, and this thing is very cool. I'll tell you why it makes me say that. As you can see, there's a Danfoss logo there. Now if I just scoot you over a little bit, I'll zoom it in a bit. This compressor is hooked up with a R134A refrigerant, and it's basically the same as the ZEM compressor, but it's Danfoss. So let's have a look around. Like I said before, there is the other fridge made by LEC, and believe it or not, this one is as well. It's a model CC20NBS, and the Danfoss compressor is a R134A, I think. I'll put it in the description what the model number is and stuff. So let's get on with the test. Okay, here we go for the test. And you can hear the fans winding down. Sounds really cool as well. Thank you for watching.